do that. So.
Staring at the sky, holding on to you, man, that's why I cry. I try to let it out, but the anger inside me's inside me. While I'm trying to breathe, on my mind sleep, it's hard to sleep when he's everything I dream about me, even in everything I sing about the people. Everything about the love of Christ, livable of forgiveness, I get it to get right. So I hit my knees. On the second way, it seems like the years just takes my pain away. Blowing up the beats, and my eyes give it a load. Broke up my soul, and I'm sipping on the boat. I gotta be alone, I lost my little road. I'm so pleased, the only way to be. I'm sipping on that energy, guacamole by the OD. So after 30 years, I'm blowing butter on me. I'm thinking time. She gon' take it, bro.
Thank you for listening to the music, my friend.
It's done.
That was intense.
I want to hear it.
Want me to tap now?
On there or on the videos or?
Dude, I think we killed it. I mean, once everything's picked out, I think.